night and day. It rained the whole day till on Sunday. I'm waiting for a shining day. Might be singing, might be
Guys, mag-hi ka muna. Happy Sunday, everybody. It's a cold Sunday. Yan. Hi, welcome back to our vlog. It's Happy Sunday, and today, Sunday, matatapos lang namin mag-church ni Sweetie. Gusto ko lang ipasilip sa inyo what our typical Sunday na meron kami, na halos ginagawa na namin to before at nasasave ko sa aking YouTube channel. But today, katatapos lang naming mag-church. Mag-hi ka muna sa vlog ko, Sweetie. Ayan. Kasi passenger ko daw si Sweetie. So, nag-church kami ngayong morning. Tapos magla-lunch kami dito sa favorite naming ihaw-ihaw. Tapos, I think we're going somewhere. And balikan namin kayo kung ano pa yung mga mangyayari sa amin the rest of our Friday and Saturday, Sunday. O, diba? Sinama-sama ko na. So, later na lang, guys. Guys, we're waiting inside. Napakadaming nakain, guys. So, nabili muna kami ng Sweetie ng bread habang hinihintay namin yung line namin. Ang daming bread dito. Guys, welcome back to our vlog. We're here in Ben's Korean barbecue. It's me. Grabe, it's already 3:30 na. And so lunchtime na. Gutom na kami ni Sweetie. Sweetie ka lang na. It's Happy Sunday pa rin po. Hindi ko alam kung may maganda ba akong intro, outro. Ang kulit, no? Sobrang lamig po talaga. And this time, ito na yung talagang nag-start na ang Amerika na malamig na. Lahi ko namang inuulit na kahit wala kaming yelo, ang hirap pa rin kumilos. But syempre, wala akong magandang intro kanina dahil talaga namang nirelax namin yung sarili namin. Kami ay first time uling nagsimba. This is the second week namin dito sa Amerika, pero no mga first week medyo nag-adjust talaga kami sa oras, sa panahon. And then syempre parang nanibago kami, kaya last week parang nagsimba kami sa YouTube lang. But syempre hindi talaga namin kaugalian yan. Ewan ko ba, parang iba yung pakiramdam kapag di ka napuntang simbahan, even though nagdadasal ka, pero parang iba talaga, no? So, talagang kanina, we're early wake up, breakfast, naligo, and then we go to church. And after that, ang tagal dun sa Gems, Korean barbecue na gustong-gusto namin kasi dinate nga ako ni Sweetie. Yes! Sobrang sarap, sobrang saya. Syempre dapat ganun, no? tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung discover nyo sa isa't isa. And sabi ko nga in my last few vlogs na iba talaga pala pag ikaw ay nakasal na on the church, na iiba lahat yung goals, plan, yung pagka-patient mo, pagmamahal mo. And siguro iba't iba naman. It's my only opinion and I'm sharing with you this one is for my experience, diba? So, inintro ko to, dinagdagan ko to kasi alam ko itong aking bridal, I'm sorry, this is my prenup pala, ay hindi ganun kahabaan at hindi ko pa nakukuha yung way kung paano ko ma-save sa YouTube channel ko yung aking bridal shower kasi yung pinsan ko very busy pa sa school, tuturuan pa niya ako. But I'm so very lucky and thankful for the team of Sir Manny, talaga naman mula prenup hanggang wedding, all the pictorials very clear to the pictures and video talaga. Ulit-ulitin ko po sa inyo, please support sa kanila sa Lucena City kung tiga Quezon po kayo or mga kalapit bayan. Ayan, kontakin niyo po itong page nila. Ayan, napakabilis nilang sumagot, napakabilis nilang kausap. At kung gusto niyo naman ng guidance para sa lahat ng team, just contact my good friend and my coordinators at Aileen itong page nila. So, marami siyang advice, kakilala na tamang presyo na maganda na pwede magpasaya sa inyo in your wedding day. So, siguro this time, Sunday naman, ilas intro natin at ilas pakita natin yung mga nangyari sa aking prenup, pictures and clip video na pinush ni Ate Aileen, ang aking coordinator and my good friend. Thank you so much talaga, Ate. I love you. Ayan. So, I think this is the first part and we'll have the second part talaga. For the whole prenup namin na mapapanood din naman to sa mga Facebook namin, nandun siya, nakapin siya, but syempre iba pa rin yung masave mo siya as one of my digital diaries sa YouTube channel ko, and that is my promise na masave siya para if you have time, mabalik-balikan mo ay mapakita mo. So ang sarap sa pakiramdam, diba? And then, syempre, itong naging prenup namin is very part of it na very vintage lang. Alam mo naman ako, mail ko sa mga sinuunang dress, sa kiba, or something. And probably, sa maayos na place na pinuntahan namin, kahit ulan na ulan, ay nagtagumpay pa rin kami na matapos at maayos. For my makeup artist, na sobrang ganda rin na ipinakita sa akin. Iba yung mukha ko sa aking asawa na nakipag-cooperative kahit sobrang mahihain na talaga. Ay nag-enjoy kami sa moment na yun. I think we're gonna start 9 o'clock until 1 o'clock. Tapos nag-lunch kami, nagkwentuhan of the team. And after that, yun nga, nabuo namin yung aming prenup. And after onwards, pag uwi namin ng gabi, nakaset na yung ginawa ni Sir Manny at naipost sa Facebook. Kaya napakagaling ng team nila. So, nakakatuwa kasi talagang nag-request lang kami ng very simple. Kasi nga siguro parang sa amin lang ay dagdag memories na rin yun. And prepare din naman namin siya at lumabas namang very simple at maganda talaga. So, nakakatuwa kasi at age of this 44, sa bagay marami pang kinakasal sa ganitong age. But, syempre iba pa rin yung medyo bata tayo na mas full of excitement and preparations. But for us, we're very happy and proud and contented sa mga ginawa naming preparation. And for us, a very simple at sinabi ko nga sometimes is DIY na nga ang lahat, pero successful pa rin from the support system of our coordinator, family, and good friends ay talaga namang nabuo naming maayos. At syempre, kami mag-asawa talaga ay hawak kamay na natapos lahat to na sobrang tulungan talaga kami. So, yun lang naman ang may papakita ko ngayong Sunday. Gustong-gusto ko man the whole prenup. Syempre, gusto ko agad ma-save. Pero, syempre, hinihintay ko lang yung magpo-post nito. But anyway, lahat ng pictures and clip of vlogs na ginawa ni ate ay ipo-post ko para naman sa ganun makasave ko rin siya. Kasi syempre yung ating phone ay medyo nahihinga-hingalo na ang ating iPhone even though I have my camera for vlogging. So, hinintay ko lang yung para lalagyan ng para mas yung camera vlogging na ang gagamitin natin. So, yun lang naman po ang nangyari sa amin ngayong Sunday. A very typical and simple Sunday. Syempre, pag Sunday is a family day. Syempre, yung anak naman namin sa Pinas ngayon, kinumusta rin namin. But sa Pilipinas ay Monday ngayon. So, it's back to school. Mommy at daddy ko naman ay okay. I don't know if we call mama punching later. Some of my friends and update kami. Some of our business. Syempre, pag Sunday, quiet muna. Bukas naman, diba? So, yun lang naman po ang masishare ko sa inyo. And I think Sunday is the best to pray, go to church, family day, kumustahan at updated sa mga pwede pang gawin for the whole day ngayong darating na Monday, diba? Yun lang naman yung Pilipino, typical na ginagawa natin. And syempre importante yung take rest para pagdating ng weekends, you have more of energy para magawa lahat ng maayos sa mga plano natin gustong gawin. Ayan. So guys, before ending my vlog, panoodin niyo po yung mga clip pictures namin and some of our videos na ginawa namin para sa bridal shower namin. And we're so excited talaga to pasilip the part 1 of our prenup at yung whole part 2 po ng prenup namin very soon for sure isisave ko po yan sa aking YouTube channel. Kaya naman po guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and subscribe our channel. Enjoy your weekend. God bless and see you again in my next vlog. Bye!
Hi guys! Ayan na, gonna be start my makeup going to prenup. And syempre gusto ko i-introduce sa inyo ang pinakamagandang nag-makeup sa akin with my prenup and my wedding day kundi si Miss Lawrence. Screenshot ko dito ang kanyang Facebook. Kontakin niyo siya, tiga Lucena City siya. And all the way talaga namang papagandahin niya kayo in your special day. Thank you Mr. Lawrence!
Pula-pula.
Yes. Hoka, mag-hi ka.
Yes, para may enerhiya. Ang lupang katawan.
Okay, bakit walang pangalan?
Kwentuhan.
Ay, naabo na ako.
Sige
Okay,
lang.
stop ka muna dyan. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, smile. And then look. Ayun lang po ha. Happy ka na next week.
Maliputo na eh.
Kita po tayo. Wait. Kinig si ma'am. Okay lang po yan. Sige lang, hanggat walang sa tingin lang walang kayo.
Taon-taon si Maria Duristan eh.
Kayo lang, magkatingin lang. Mag-disclosure lang ulit. Ticket, kiss the love, yan. O, parang magkikis ba ma'am? Parang magkikis lang. Yung magkalapit na yung ano, yung nose mo. Yan, parang gano'n. Yan, gano'n na. Ulit. O, magkatingin na na.
Hirap pala maging artista.
O, magkatingin na muna. Angat muna ako, angat. Yan, magkatingin na. Hindi natin sa.
Titigil na ko sa'yo.
Yan. Okay, go. Nose to nose. And big smile po, big smile. Yan, nose to nose. Lagi nyo lang yan. Don't touch it. Isa pa. Sir, mukha pa ka na lang. Madaling kiss lang. Yan, kinikilig si mamo, di ba? Yan lang. Kita ba daw? Yan. Diretso nyo lang, magkaibigan sa camera. Sige lang, sige lang.
Sige lang.
Rolling lang, rolling lang. Sige lang.
Go. Chika-chika, kwentuhan, tinginan.
Sige sir, namnamin mo. Yan. Tawa lang kayo, tawa lang. Yan. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch and forget just walk away. Slip down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away.
My vlog, sweetie. Hi! Welcome to my vlog. It's my prenup time. It's sweet.
Friend, right there on top of the moon. Too scared now, thinking I should call them. I'm not. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I think it's hard how we always wait another day alone. How we watch and forget, just walk away. Right there on top of the moon. Too scared now, thinking I should call her nothing. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and just fly away. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. I just don't wanna care how we watch and forget, just walk away. Alone, I'll be too scared, thinking I should call her. Let's live down by the water. Too scared now, thinking I should call her. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. I just don't wanna care how we watch. Can you be here and I'm just walk away alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Let's live down by the water. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
Guys, kinikilig pa rin ako sa mga scene na kinuhaan ni Ate Aileen at mga pictures na galing kay Sir Manny sa nangyari sa aming prenup before our wedding. Sobrang ganda, sobrang simple. I'm so very happy sa experience na ito na talagang sobrang na-share namin yung love namin ni Sweetie. Pareho talaga kaming kinikilig pag binabalik-balikan namin yung mga ginawa namin. But before ending my vlog, I would like to thank again to Ate Irene, sa aming coordinator, sa mga effort and love mo sa amin. Syempre sa team ni Mr. Manny, maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng team ninyo. And syempre kung paano ako pinaganda ni Mr. Lawrence sa aking prenup at sa aking wedding. Maraming salamat po sa inyo and God bless. And for sure, soon, ipapakita ko naman po sa inyo ang whole video talaga ng aming prenup. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog and hope to see you my second, third, fourth wedding diaries. Bye!
I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay. Miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay. Miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay. Miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. Right there on top of the moon.